now we're going to move on to editing projects. So obviously, well, case studies, I guess, is what we're calling them on the website, but that's right down here, controlled through the Projects tab. Come right down to Projects, click on that. And just like with the pages, up comes a list of the projects. Now, if you want to add a brand new one, you come right up here to Add New, but otherwise, just come right in here to edit one of these. Click on the name of it, and up come your fields. And this first one is where you're going to put the title. So let's go and look at the case studies on the front end so we can see. Is that it? And fixer. There, this one. So here's that project on the front, and this is the form that we fill out on the back end for it. So title goes here. Obviously, this is just the text description. Featured image would go here. So there was an upload button here if there's not already an image in there, and you would just upload it. I'll show you here in just a second the dimensions that needs to be. Then further down here at the bottom, we've got this excerpt field, and that's what makes this short version of the description show up here. So if you don't put something in, it's going to try to put the whole thing in, so it'll be like 7, 8, 9 lines of text here, and it'll push this whole next row down. You'll notice right away if you haven't done that, but that's what that is. It's the excerpt field. And then for the actual image that goes in there, we're just using one image that shows for both the preview and for the main image on the site. And the dimensions of that are this, 1239 by 722. It's easy enough to just download one from the media library and open it and use that as a reference when you're making a new one, or if you just want to write these dimensions down somewhere, that will be helpful when you're going to add a new project. Of course, you can always just reference this video again. But that is the gist of it. And then right over here on the right-hand side are the categories so that you can filter those on the page here. So that's what controls both this filtering ability and also the filtering for the feeds on the bottom of these pages right here. So, all of them are right here that we've got entered. As you add new ones, like you can see I haven't yet done Oregon Coast or some of those other towns. You can just come right here and click Add New Category, type in the name of it, and push this Add New Category button, and that becomes available then on all of the projects that you're adding. I believe that is it. So we've got title, description, categories here on the right, your featured image, and then also the excerpt. Filling those out will create a new project type in the case studies section, and will also feed to those feeds on the bottom of the inside pages.